So I'm François de Pimodon. I'm the product manager for our MobiPass product, which is designed to help operators to assess the performances of their radio access network. So what you can see here is really the graphical user interface used by our customer to design realistic scenario based on RF planning data, where here you can see a deployment scenario with multiple subscribers which are spread around different cells, and some subscriber will perform a virtual drive test. Then in real time, the emulator will send the RF data for each different subscriber, and with different application we will monitor in real time the quality of service given to each subscriber, which will help the operator to ensure the performances of the network, and also to enhance the performances by tuning the different parameters. That's mainly it.